In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a calendar invite using Gmail. This is a useful skill to have whether you're setting up meetings for work, coordinating events with friends, or just trying to keep your schedule organized. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Gmail account. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and head over to gmail.com. Once there, enter your email address and password to access your inbox. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small grid icon, which represents Google Apps. Click on this icon and a menu will appear. Select the Calendar option from this menu. After opening Google Calendar, you'll see your monthly calendar view. To create a new event, look for the Create button, usually located on the left side of the screen. Clicking this button will open a new event window. Here, you can start adding all the important details for your event, such as the title, date, and time. It's always a good idea to be as descriptive as possible so you and your invitees know exactly what the event is about. Now, this is where we move on to inviting people. Directly under the title, you'll find a section labeled Add Guests with a text box. Here you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Make sure to double-check the spelling of their addresses to ensure they receive your invitation. If you have a long list of guests, consider preparing a list beforehand so you can easily copy and paste it into the box. Next, take a look at the description field. Use this space to include any additional information your guests might need, like the meeting agenda, dress code, or other specifics. The more details you provide, the more prepared your guests will be. Right below the description, you'll find the option to add a location. Including a location is particularly helpful if you're meeting in person, as it will open up Google Maps directly from the invite. Once you're happy with all the details, don't forget to set a reminder notification. This can be crucial in making sure that neither you nor your guests forget about the event. Before you send out the invites, review everything once more for accuracy. When satisfied, hit the Save button. Gmail will ask if you want to send invites to your guests. Confirm by clicking Send. Congratulations! You've successfully sent a calendar invite in Gmail. Keep in mind that you can always go back to make edits to your event should plans change. With this skill, you're now better equipped to manage your schedule and coordinate events more efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy planning.